Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. FETCH.AI is still in this range, you could say. I call it a range. We have a very questionable 5-wave move up from the Monday low. Really not much happened over the last few days. The market is currently in a correction after we had a very rapid rally. And then this is just a pullback. Now we need to see if the market can hold above 65 cents. I don't have much confidence here, because this rally was not clearly in 5 waves. We can zoom in a little bit. It is probably just structurally better structure than you see on many other coins, but this last bit was a bit long. It often is the case if it's a proper 3-wave rally that the actual 3rd wave is the longest one. That's not the case here, so I find this questionable given that, let's say, 90% of altcoin charts that I've seen and looking at the structure, they have only formed a 3-wave move up. Now, for those of you who think, what the heck is he talking about? Why is this so important? Well, if it's only a 3-wave move up, it doesn't really give us a clear indication of trend. It means it might go up further, but probabilities are really only clear if we get 5 waves. I would be more confident, had Bitcoin provided a clearer 5-wave move, had Ethereum provided a clearer 5-wave move. So all I can say at this stage, well, I'm not convinced, but we have a clear support zone to watch. So far, the reaction to this support zone isn't convincing me. I would say it looks very likely that this 5th wave forms another low. That the C wave forms another low, and that wave 5 of C is currently unfolding. We might indeed test the 69 cent level, which is the golden ratio level here, or even the 78.6 FIB level at 65 cents. I can tell you that a sustained break below that level will indicate that we'll form another low, most likely. This is when, below the 78.6 retracement, probabilities start to shift towards more short-term bearish scenarios, and then a test of the last key support I really have on the larger time frame, right? A test of that level, 52 cents, becomes then more likely. Now, what would be an indication that a low has formed? Well, minimally, I'd like to see a break above that last high from intraday high, basically, at 79 cents. That's the bare minimum. Would need to see a move above this level here as early indication that a low of sorts has formed. But it's just not very, it would be really the earliest signal. Better would be a break above this so-called B wave top, which I've labeled here on the 4th of February. That is the beginning of the C wave down, so moving above that level would be an even clearer signal. A low has formed, and once we see a break above this level, next micro resistance is around 88 cents, and the next larger level over or above is at $1.09. So it means, because the pullback looks corrective, not impulsive, at least to me, it does look more corrective. And because we are still above support, I'm leaning towards higher prices from here. Also because we are in a larger support area, which has provided support for quite some time. But But I can also tell you that this chart is weak, and we really need to see a move higher before the price breaks below 52 cents, because it would most likely then lead to a completely different scenario on the larger time frame, which, however, I don't want to get into today. Just want to highlight the relevant levels on the smaller time frame, what to watch out for here on the weekend. And I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in longer content, more in-depth analysis, geopolitical discussions around, Trump, what's happening in the US, tariffs, what moves the markets, check out our main channel, MCO Global. We started it this week. It's going to be the main channel, the main hub where everybody in the MCO community hopefully comes together, and we can have discussions around different things, invite guests, and it will be great. These are different style videos with camera and so on. So you're welcome to leave your feedback and topic suggestions in the comments of these videos. I will definitely read them all and make a list of topics that we will cover. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.